Welcome to Dallas Property Investors. If you've come to our site, some of these situations may apply to you. You're maybe behind on your mortgage payments and possibly facing foreclosure. You have a house with little or no equity and can't sell it in the open market. Your house needs costly repairs, or perhaps you've been relocated or going through a difficult divorce. You have a vacant house, or maybe you're just tired of being a landlord. You've inherited a house and are considering selling it, or perhaps you just simply need to sell your house fast. Well, you guys landed in great hands because we're here to help. We are a local house buying company that buys houses in the Dallas area as is, charges no fees, and pays for closing costs. We stand out from our competition because of our high values and integrity. If you need to sell your house in the DFW area, fill out a form in this site or just simply call us at 214-761-6858 and we'll be happy to hear from you.